everybody, my name is Leela and thank you for joining me on my channel. Okay, so we are going to talk about a really incredible tool that I recently purchased. But let me give a little background here. Okay, my hair tends to be really dry on the ends. It doesn't matter. It seems like it doesn't matter what I do with it, it will split. I could love my hair to death and be very gentle with it. And it's just like, meh, whatever, we don't like this life here, and it splits. So I recently got in touch with some people who know a lot about hair, and they told me that the only way to keep it healthy is if I whacked off a bunch of inches. And I'm like, okay, this has taken me years. It's still not super duper long yet, but you know, for me, this takes a while to grow. Now, granted, okay, I'm 5'2", I'm short, so honestly, really, it won't take me as long to grow my hair out long as somebody who's say 5'6", 5'7", something like that. But anyway, okay, so I was trying to explore other options besides just, you know, whacking my hair off to like here. And I came across a tool online called a Split Ender Pro. Okay, well, it comes in a bag like this. So this is actually just the charger end. You don't need it for it to actually work. There's a little chamber here where the hairs accumulate. I do have some hairs in there currently from last time I trimmed my hair. There's also these cool arrow buttons. Depending on which direction, it always needs to face down. So if I'm doing my hair this way, this arrow needs to face that way. And if I'm using this hand and guiding this way, I'll do that arrow over there. Let's see here. All right. It's got this cool clamp. This is what your hair goes through when you clamp it down, and then it goes and doesn't shred your hair. It only takes off a 1/4 inch of the ends that are really damaged, which I am incredibly impressed with. So I wanted to show you how it works. All right, you do have to section off your hair for this, and they recommend for people with curly hair to have it straightened first. For me, that's kind of sad because if you're using heat to straighten your hair, that's kind of damaging it, isn't it? So you're damaging your hair and then you're cutting off the damaged ends. Not have any oils in your hair while you're doing this because your hair will probably clump up. And it sticks to itself, and they need your hair to be like all free so that as it goes through, any of the shorter ends that are split will instantly get snipped off. You also need very thin sections of hair to do this. Now, the first time I did this, my hair was so damaged, I ran through each section like 6 times, and I'm not even kidding. But they do recommend that you run through it at least 3 times to get everything. So I wanted to show you. Now, my hair is wavy, it's not curly. The arrow is pointing this way, which it needs to go. All right, so I'll show you. Can you see that blade spinning? I'm showing you this today because I noticed a few more split ends. Now, when I did this before, I had so many split ends that even sitting there with little scissors to try and clip them off, I was going cross-eyed because I had so many. But with this, it reduced the split ends I had by at least 80%. 80%, and I couldn't believe it. It was so amazing. And I wasn't quite sure what to believe because I've seen good reviews and bad reviews for it. It leaves your hair really smooth too. It feels really good. So anyway, yeah, I really like it. The fact that it diminished my split ends by at least 80% is just insane. That's not something that could be done in a salon or with personal scissors without a tool like this. I got it from the website, their own website, Split Ender Pro, probably splitenderpro.com, I'm guessing. This is the Split Ender Pro 2. And I know there's other imitations out there, but I decided to go with like the original inventors. Okay, my hair's getting stuck there. So that might be too big of a clump for it. So I'm just gonna take this and see, and it's not shredding my hair. That's awesome. But anyway, it was cheaper on their website than through like Amazon. Pretty cool. And all my hairs are like baby fine. So they constantly are wisping out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna continue with this and then show you the final product. Okay, so I have just finished using this tool. My hair feels amazingly silky smooth. However, the lighting in my bathroom is not all that great. So let's take this outside and I am gonna show you like for real how amazing this is, okay? Okay, so I'm out here now in my garden and yes, I don't have a tripod or any cameraman at the moment. Just me. Anyhow, look how, I mean, my hair feels amazing. You might see one or two split ends. There's one of my fairy godmother hairs. But, oh my goodness, it feels amazing. And that's one of the things that a lot of people have said when they've used this product, is that their hair just feels like silk afterwards. And it's so true, because the ends don't have that frizz that you get from hairs when they split. Like, it's gone. So it's something I am really, really excited about. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you exactly how much hair this thing got, okay? So this is what my canister picked up. There's still just a little bit more inside the machine as well, and I'll show you. But look at that, that's all it got. So just the ends, just the parts that really, really needed it. So then inside here, you can see the blades. You can also still see some of my hair in there. So that's where it goes. But yeah, it didn't take off any length whatsoever. But it really, really is amazing. So yeah, it feels great. I'm happy with it. Anyway, so if you're somebody that does have chronic split ends, and no matter what you try to do, if you're using nourishing masks, if you're using like a lot of coconut oil and you're doing search and destroy by using scissors, and they just keep happening and you really don't know what else to do, I would definitely recommend getting a split ender tool like that, because it really, really works. So anyway, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, even though it's a little bit awkwardly filmed, but you know, hey, my life is a little bit awkward, so it just kind of suits everything. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in another video of mine soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. To use this with your hair, try doing this in a phone instead of a mirror, folks. A little bit more oil after a little while, because I didn't put oil in it to do this. All right, now, did my hair just hit the rose bush? Oh my goodness. Let's see here, oops. One of my tools just fell out. Okay, so anyway, this particular one, oh my gosh, it's stuck, you guys, it's stuck. This is not making for a very good video, does it? Okay. I just smacked a bee. What is up with me today, you guys? I just smacked a bee. Oh, I feel so bad for the bee. All right. So with that, I've lost my train of thought. Oh my goodness. Okay, where was I going with that? And I am restarting this video because up until now it has sucked.